Hi, I'm Chris Backyard, the Director of Engineering for the Metro Flood Diversion Authority. I'm your guide for this month's virtual tour of construction progress on the FM Area Diversion Project. Our drone view starts with a few of the 17 crossings that are underway for the 30-mile stormwater diversion channel. Commuters from the north side of Fargo will be happy to hear that the I29 roadway bypasses were completed at the beginning of November. Work will continue in the area, however, without impacting traffic. ASN Constructors is installing wick drains and surcharge embankments, which are early steps for building the I29 crossing. Just southwest of there, ASN is pouring concrete bridge abutments for the County Road 32 crossing. Concrete work will continue with the bridge piers as well. To the northeast, near the diversion outlet, they recently completed the County Roads 4 and 31 road realignments. ASN then moved on to doing structural excavation and driving H-piles for the bridge abutments and piers for the new combined crossing. Excavation continues on the channel itself, with work taking place in reaches 4, 8, and 9. Dirt work will continue through the winter as ASN pushes through frigid temps and snow with a goal of moving 2 million cubic yards of earth each month. ASN Constructors also has been driving H-piles at the Maple River Aqueduct site, both for the flume and adjacent wing wall. Once completed, there will be more than 9 miles of piling supporting the structure. They completed a sheet pile skirt that surrounds the flume base and now are installing formwork for the first of many concrete pours for the structure's base. Roughly 10,000 cubic yards of concrete, enough to fill 3 Olympic-sized swimming pools, will be needed for the entire structure. Speaking of structures and concrete work, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers is nearly done pouring the concrete abutments and approach walls on the upstream side of the Red River structure. Their contractor, Ames Construction, is also working on the piers, stilling basin walls, and baffle blocks on the downstream side. A temporary bridge across the Red River is also under construction and will allow access to the eastern limits of the job site. We have a final look at the Drain 27 Wetland Mitigation project for you this month as well. Earlier this year, we saw the site in action as runoff from the spring melt filled the excavation behind the earthen embankment and weir structure, which were completed in 2022. It gave us a glimpse of how these features will function to both maintain wetland habitat and provide drainage, as intended, for years to come. Last month, 6 native seed mixes ranging from marsh wetlands to mesic prairie upland areas were planted across the 330-acre site. These plantings will be maintained for another 5 years to help ensure full turf establishment. For perspective, the wetland area is more than twice the size of Disneyland. It has been a busy, productive year for the FM Area Diversion Project, with numerous partners working hard towards permanent, reliable flood protection. If you would like more regular project updates, you can follow the MFDA on LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, and X.